FxPro trading tutorial for beginners, everything you need to know. So FxPro is a well-known online broker that lets you trade forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and crypto CFDs. So it's an international CFD broker founded in 2006, regulated by authorities like FCA and CYSEC. So it offers multiple trading platforms like C Traders or MT4 and is popular among beginners and intermediate traders for its reliability and tools. So of course, to be able to use it, you can go ahead to your Play Store first and just search for FxPro Trading app and install it. Once you install it, you will be greeted to a registration section. So there's a register with FxPro button. Just go ahead and do that real quickly. Or if you already have an account, you can of course log in. So if you don't, register first, of course. Choose your country and then an email for your account. And once you have chosen, I'm gonna choose our country for now, and then you're gonna have to enter your password. To enter those details, you will start with the setup. Creating a profile usually takes a few minutes. Just go ahead and follow with the process. You could get started or do it later, but as of now, we're just gonna put in our personal details and then the next step and then so on until you complete your profile. But once you do, you would be able to choose your trading account type since FxPro offers multiple account types, so like a standard account or a professional account. But once you do, you can finally start with choosing a trading platform since FxPro supports multiple platforms. So now it's basically just the steps of, as we mentioned, choosing a trading platform, depositing your funds, since FxPro supports bank transfers, credit or debit cards, other regional methods as well with a minimum deposit. Then you're gonna have to understand what you're trading since FxPro trades CFDs and not actually real assets. You can trade forex, indices, stocks. I guess they are real assets in a way, but those are your options from your options. Then you have to learn basic trading terms like the size of your trade or units. Just go ahead and explore this actual app, which will eventually help you learn more. Then you could place your first trade. Of course, you could practice with a demo account if you want, since it does offer free demo accounts. You can use the demo to learn the platform, try strategies, or understand spreads and execution. So simple trading strategies for beginners, trend followings or support and resistance, or news avoidance at first, of course. So there's a lot of pros of FxPro, like it has strong regulation with multiple trading platforms with good execution speed, beginner-friendly demo accounts, and many tradable instruments. Although it is CFDs only, losses amplified by leverage with not really an ideal for very small capital and a few fees, but that is normal for almost every tool like this. But since FxPro is a solid broker for beginners, if you want a regulated platform with good tools and flexibility, it's especially good for forex and index trading. However, trading CFDs is risky and success depends more on discipline and risk management than the broker itself. So if you're a beginner, start slow, practice on demo, and never rush into big trades. But hopefully some information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's